County. What? This is true. Nigga ain't on stay raised in the gutter. Fuck motherfucker, damn motherfucker. Yeah. Everyday nigga behind them balls, I didn't even see nothing, nigga. What it do? But I'm just chillin' right here, nigga. What you think, fool? Man, it's all good. But let me tell you something about a real G, nigga. Man, shot up and stabbed up, and niggas don't give a fuck when I'm ready to throw my fucking signs where I'm from when I'm getting it down. Nigga locked up in cells, nigga did my time in 9 years. Nigga, what you think about my peers? Niggas talking that shit, nigga, we can take it to the street, get here. Niggas talking all that goddamn thing, but nigga, what you never seen my motherfucking life, man, and that's for real. Dog, I love you fucking brothers at the same fucking time. Goddamn, motherfucker, now I'm losing my brain. My mind is dying insane. My mom is fucking crying every day. I fucking see her eyes, man. What the fuck am I supposed to do? But I'm just tattooing my fucking goddamn dream on my fucking fool. Damn, that's the fucking thing about this shit. Nigga, that's the real shit, nigga, all about this thing, man. Now I'm chilling with my goddamn best friend, and that's Lazarus motherfucking Level and homie G. Niggas a trip on me. Now I lost my best friend to the goddamn penitentiary. What it do? What the fuck is going around here? I'm lost in the cell. What the fuck am I to find here? Damn, I'm going up insane. What the fuck about a nigga down in this shit, nigga? I'm fucking dying, man. I gotta get a little bit of water like a flower. If you just don't know, damn, I love them daily power. But sometimes I gotta wear my fucking dickies, but you niggas never know, boy. You never love them hickeys. I love them fine fucking bitches sitting next to me, but what you niggas never know me. I love the ecstasy, chill with my homies and love them niggas till the day I die. Nigga throw up 1219, nigga. All day. Level knock these niggas out and fucking don't even play.